If you love delicious plant-based recipes, then you are gonna love these Asian-themed eggplant tacos. So what you're gonna do is take one medium-large eggplant and cut it up. So I cut it into like 1/2 inch by inch pieces. That's just my preference, but really you could cut it up however you want. That's the great thing about plant-based ingredients. They have more leeway than, say, meat, where it has to be cooked at a specific level, consistently, or else it, will be unhealthy to eat or whatever. So eggplant is not that way. So what we're going to do is put in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or vinegar of your choice and a teaspoon of salt and let that sit for 20 minutes. Then you are going to take some paper towels and pat them dry. Heat up your pan with some olive oil, add chopped onions and jalapeno, and let them brown. I also added some grated ginger, and I also added some of the ginger juice from the jar. And let that brown. It's gonna smell really, really good. I added a sprinkle of salt as well, and then I added in the eggplant. I added in some lime juice, and some garlic paste, but you can add fresh garlic. And this is where my video cut out. Oh my god, I was so devastated, but I still have enough footage. So I also added 1 cup of vegetable broth, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So that's how we made that delicious brown sauce. And if it's too watery, add some more cornstarch. If it's too thick, add some more vegetable broth. And then I just put the lid on the pan and I let it simmer at medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how thick you want your sauce, etc. And then I just scooped it up into some wheat tortillas. Other seasonings that I added include paprika, turmeric, and red chili flakes. These were so delicious. Add some fresh guacamole and you're good to go. This is my meal for the day. I'm going to eat it for lunch and dinner. Full recipe is in the description and a link to my website to find the full printable recipe as well. Don't forget to subscribe.